Hey guys, it's my first video uploading on this channel. Today we meet chocolate protein ice cream, and it was a bit of a grueling process, so I'll show you that now. Here are our various ingredients, including stevia, vanilla, PBFit, cocoa powder, Greek yogurt, and protein powder. Please ignore the other ingredients in the background. 150 grams of yogurt, tablespoon cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons stevia powder, scoop protein powder, 5 drops of toffee flavored stevia, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also maybe add a quarter cup of water just for purposes. Yeah, actually let's add like 3/4 more cup of water because, you know, it's for our poor blender. Okay, so it is looking a bit thin, but there's hope. Let's see. Okay, I guess that works. Okay, let's put this in the freezer. Here's to it not breaking. It's really packed in there. Okay, see how this turns out. Oh. So this is apparently, if you have a powdery output, this is a bit powdery. We go full again, and then light ice cream, respin. Hi everybody. So we completed our ice cream experiment. It did turn out a bit powdery. As you can see, it's like pretty much ice powder. But I mean, if it tastes good, it tastes good. So let's see how it tastes. So let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh, that's amazing. That's delicious. Yeah. Mostly successful experiment. Probably gonna try respinning it again to see the results, but this is delicious. I mean, chocolate peanut butter, you can't really go wrong, but it's amazing. Successful experiment, I'd say. See you guys next time. Bye. So those of you who stayed, I respun it, and yeah, it turned out to actually become ice cream. So let's try it now. I also added some mix-ins. 3, 2, 1. Yep. That's ice cream. That's ice cream. What can I say? Perfect. Anyways, extremely successful experiment. See you guys next time. Bye. Subscribe!